Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build the Crocodile from the ROBOTIS Dream 2 Level 2 kit. Step-by-step assembly instructions can be found in the R+ Design 2.0 software. The download link is in the description. You can rotate the 3D model by right-clicking and dragging. If you need to remove a rivet, make sure to use the included rivet tool. To connect the Crocodile to your computer, turn on the CM150 with the button on the bottom. The red LED should come on, and connect a micro USB cable. Open R+ Task 2.0, you can find the download link in the description, and navigate to the Crocodile example sketch. Click the device button in the top right and select your controller. If you're not seeing it, make sure it's on and connected. Click the download button to load the program to your Crocodile. The program puts your Crocodile on the hunt, alternating between fast and slow until he senses something in his mouth. Then, he'll stop and take a bite. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the Crocodile's example code in R+ Task 2.0 and learn how it works.